Life on that line.
Hi guys, I am back with another video. This is an old wig that I decided to take down so that I can revamp these bundles. I followed all of these steps in order to achieve the takedown. This wig was hand sewed on a dome cap, and dome caps are very hot and uncomfortable for me, so I decided to revamp this hair and to get rid of the wig. For this process, I used a wide tooth comb, wig brush, some replenishing shampoo, and some tea tree conditioner. Later on, I went back in with a detangling brush. I thought that this was going to be easy, but this hair was in terrible shape. So this was a pretty hard task. I started by lathering the hair with shampoo. I scrubbed and combed my fingers through the hair, making sure that it was clean. This hair was tangled. I spent an hour trying to get the kinks and the knots out. It was tough, but I got the job done.
I'd probably take her.
After I detangled the hair, there was so much hair that had shedded. I was almost convinced that there was no hope for these bundles, and then boom, the bundles came alive again. I braided my hair off camera. I'm going to do the half up, half down sew-in. I'm not doubling the wefts, and I'm going to do the flip over method. I won't cut any tracks until I get to the top.
I'd probably take her.
Now that I'm at the top, I won't have any leave out simply because my ponytail will cover that portion of my tracks. But if you want, you can section some leave out to cover your tracks. And also, I will not secure my ponytail with any glue or pins. I'm laying off of the glue for now, and I hate pins. Honestly, I just don't like the poking in my scalp from the pins. So I'm just going to freeball and wing it. You know what I'm saying?
I'd probably take her.